Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with essentials. Make sure Arduino IDE or ESP-IDF plus ESP32 board package is installed. Once done, plug the ESP32 into USB and confirm the COM port. Now create a new sketch and include Wi-Fi. This gives you the Wi-Fi class and methods. Next, set variables for SSID and password at the top so configuration is centralized. Finally, select the correct board and upload speed. This avoids connection and upload failures before you even run Wi-Fi code. In Setup, call Wi-Fi. Begin with your SSID and password and then enter a loop that checks Wi-Fi status until it returns WL connected or a set timeout occurs. This prevents the board from blocking indefinitely and lets you handle failures. Make sure to print progress to serial so you can see attempts and eventual IP. Once connected, fetch Wi-Fi, local IP, and Wi-Fi. RSSI to display address and signal strength. These help you confirm the device is usable on your network. Finalize by adding reconnection logic. Listen to Wi-Fi events or periodically check status and call Wi-Fi. Begin again if disconnected. This keeps the ESP32 online. If you need stable addressing, configure a static IP or MDNS so services find the device reliably. For OTA or servers, start the appropriate services after connection. Troubleshooting tip. If it fails, double-check SSID and password. Confirm router channel and 4 GHz support and ensure no MAC filtering or firewall blocks the device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.